All right, this is the setup video for the math foldable for chapter 3. So you should have an orange piece of paper. It has a plus sign, a multiplication sign, a subtraction sign, and a division sign on one side, and then a bunch of writing on the other side, okay? So you're going to need a pair of scissors and glue, okay? What you're going to do, as you can see on the side with the division, the subtraction, multiplication, there's a dotted line there. Okay, you're going to fold along the dotted line, not to the dotted line, along the dotted line. Okay, so when you do that, basically creating almost like a little booklet. So see, folded to the dotted line. This one I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. Okay. So now it looks like this. Basically, I have a little booklet here, okay? And then you're going to take your scissors and you're going to cut along the solid line, okay? You're only cutting the flap. Cut along the solid line on both sides. So I've got that, got a bunch of different flaps, okay? You're going to take it, you're going to glue it to page 63, okay? So your math menu is on page 62. You're gluing the orange paper to 63, okay? Gluing the orange paper to 63. Basically what this foldable is it's a way to go back and look at some of the information that you might need to remember for this chapter. Okay, so basically what this does is it walks you through how to do addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division for integers. Okay, so addition, we have this idea of same signs, they're friends. Add the values of the numbers and keep the sign. Different, we're at war, the larger valued number will win the sign battle. Subtract the values of the numbers to see how much, okay? For subtraction, you use the idea of keep, change, change. Keep the first number the same, change the subtraction to addition, and then change the sign of the second number. So remember we talked about having additive integers, okay? So there's an example down here. I have 14 minus a negative 3. Okay, so I keep my first, change my sign, and change my sign. So I get 14 plus 3, which is 17. Okay. The second one I have is negative 8 minus negative 2. So I keep my sign, change, change. Negative 8 plus 2 gives me a negative 6. Okay, so they're different signs, so I subtract them. Right? Multiplication, same signs, answer is positive. So 2 times 4 would give me 8. Negative 3 times negative 7 gives me a positive 21. Okay. Different signs, the answer is negative. So 5 times negative 6 would give me a negative 30. Negative 9 times 5 would give me a negative 45. Okay. Division, same idea. Same signs, answer is positive. 20 divided by 4 gives me 5. Negative 15 divided by negative 5 gives me 3. And different signs, your answer is going to be negative. So negative, or 24 divided by negative 4 gives me a negative 6. Negative 50 divided by 10 gives me a negative 5. Okay. And that is the foldable for chapter 3.